The DURGOD heavy-duty mechanical keyboard is equipped with Cherry MX Brown switches, known for their exceptional mechanical key switch technology and durability. Featuring multimedia keys and N-key rollover, this keyboard provides gamers with a competitive advantage and convenient control. With its ergonomic design, the keyboard includes PBT double-shot seamless keycaps that are both elegant and resistant to wear. The keyboard offers 3 adjustable feet levels, allowing users to find the perfect typing or gaming position, and includes a detachable USB Type-C cable for added convenience. Thanks to its independent software, the keyboard offers easy control and customization for all keys, enhancing the user experience. Overall, the DURGOD K310 model provides a robust and reliable option for gamers, typists, and office users alike.